Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by measuring 1/2 cup dried sea moss and looking for debris because cleanliness determines gel clarity and shelf life. Rinse under cold, running water until particles are gone. Trim any dark or slimy bits to avoid off flavors. Then place the sea moss in a jar and cover with 4 cups filtered water. Once submerged, press down so all pieces absorb water. Let it soak for 12 to 24 hours. This rehydrates fibers and unlocks the gelling polysaccharides you'll need. Once soaked, drain the sea moss and reserve about 1 cup of the soak water because that liquid contains dissolved nutrients and helps you control texture. You transfer sea moss to a blender and pour in reserved water, starting the motor on low to break fibers, then ramp to high for 1-2 minutes until perfectly smooth. If you want a thinner gel, add more reserved water. If thicker, blend less or reduce water. You can add a squeeze of lemon for brightness or a dash of glycerin for smoother mouthfeel. You finish by transferring the hot, or room temperature, sea moss gel into airtight glass jars, leaving a little headspace and sealing. Refrigeration keeps it stable for up to 3 weeks, while freezing in ice cube trays extends life to about 3 months. Make sure to label jars with the date so you use the oldest first. If you ever notice off odors or extreme sliminess, discard immediately. If the gel is too thin, simply reblend with less water and chill so it firms up before use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.